Ever wondered how to open a bank account? Well, having a bank account is more than just a safe place to stash your cash. It's your ticket to managing your personal finances effectively. It's the first step towards building credit and a tool that can help you save money for the future. It's your financial foundation, and given its importance, it's essential to know how to set one up. We're going to take you through this process, breaking it down into manageable steps. Stay tuned to understand the process step by step. Before starting, it's crucial to understand the types of bank accounts. Let's dive into the most common ones. First, we have checking accounts. These are your everyday workhorses, perfect for receiving paychecks, paying bills, and making daily transactions. They usually come with checks, debit cards, and online banking access. Next up, savings accounts. These are designed to help you stash away money while earning a bit of interest. They're great for building up an emergency fund or saving for a specific goal. Then we have joint accounts. These are essentially checking or savings accounts shared by two or more individuals, typically couples or business partners. Last but not least, business accounts. These are tailored for businesses, providing tools and services that help manage and track business finances. Remember, each of these account types serves a different purpose. Selecting the most suitable type of account depends on your financial needs. Now let's dive into the documents required for opening a bank account. First things first, identification documents. You'll need a valid government-issued ID, such as a driver's license, passport, or state ID. This is used to confirm your identity and ensure you're who you say you are. Some banks may also accept other forms of ID, like a military ID or a student ID, but it's best to check with your chosen bank to confirm what they accept. Next up, proof of address. This could be a utility bill like your electricity or water bill, or a lease agreement. The key here is that the document must have your name and your current address on it. This helps the bank verify your residential status. Let's not forget the Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number. Banks need this to report the interest you earn on your account to the IRS. If you're a non-US resident, you may be able to open an account with an individual taxpayer identification number instead. Now, on to proof of income. This isn't always required, but some banks may ask for it, especially if you're applying for a credit card or loan at the same time. This could be a recent pay stub, a tax return, or a letter from your employer stating your income. Finally, you may need to show proof of your date of birth. This could be a birth certificate, a passport, or any other government-issued document that clearly shows your date of birth. This is important to ensure that you're old enough to open an account. Remember, each bank may have slightly different requirements, so it's always a good idea to check with your chosen bank before you gather your documents. Also, keep in mind that all these documents must be valid and up to date. Expired documents or documents with incorrect information will not be accepted. And there you have it. These are the basic documents you'll need to open a bank account. It might seem like a lot, but once you've gathered everything, you're well on your way to becoming a bank account holder. Having these documents ready will simplify your application process. For those who prefer convenience, online applications are a great option. In today's digital age, many banks offer the opportunity to open an account right from the comfort of your home. The process is simple and straightforward, and we're going to walk you through it. First, you'll need to visit the bank's website. Look for a button or link that says "Open an account" or something similar. Clicking on this will lead you to the application page. Now, you'll be asked to select the type of account you want to open. Different banks offer different types of accounts, so make sure to choose one that best suits your needs. Whether it's a checking account for daily transactions or a savings account for your future goals, carefully read the features and benefits of each type of account before making a decision. Once you've selected the type of account, you'll be directed to the application form. This is where you'll need to input some personal information. Be prepared to provide details such as your full name, date of birth, social security number, and contact information. Some banks may also ask for your employment details and income. After filling out the form, you'll need to submit the required documents. These typically include a valid identification document, proof of address, and sometimes proof of income. Most banks allow you to upload these documents directly through the application form. Remember, the documents need to be clear and legible for the bank to verify your information. Once you've uploaded the documents, all that's left is to submit the application. You'll usually receive an immediate confirmation of your submission, and the bank will begin processing your application. It's worth noting that some banks may require a follow-up call or video chat to confirm your details. Others might need additional information or documents, in which case they'll contact you. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the online application process. It's a straightforward, user-friendly system that allows you to open an account without stepping foot in a bank. Online applications offer a quick and hassle-free way to open a bank account. For a more traditional approach, you can also apply in person. If you're the kind of person who appreciates a face-to-face interaction, or you just want that extra assurance, the in-person application process might be the right fit for you. Let's walk through the steps together. First things first, set an appointment. This can usually be done over the phone or in some cases through the bank's website. It's a simple step, but it's crucial. Scheduling an appointment ensures that a bank representative is available to assist you when you arrive. Next, gather all the necessary documents. Remember the list we discussed earlier? Your identification, proof of address, and income documentation are all essential. It's like going to a battle. You need to be fully armed. So make sure you have all these documents in order before heading to the bank. Now comes the part where you actually visit the bank. Don't forget to bring all your documents, and make sure to arrive a bit earlier than your scheduled appointment. This gives you time to relax, gather your thoughts, and maybe even enjoy a complimentary cup of coffee before your meeting. Once you're at the bank, you'll meet with a bank representative. This is the person who will guide you through the application process, answering any questions you might have along the way. They'll review your documents, help you complete the application form, and discuss the different account types and features that best suit your needs. And that's it. Once you've submitted your application, you just need to wait for the bank to review your information and approve your account. Remember, patience is a virtue. Most banks will be able to give you an approximate timeline for this process, so you'll know when to expect your new account to be ready. In-person applications might seem a bit old school in the digital age, but they provide a more personalized banking experience. It's all about choosing the method that works best for you. In-person applications provide a more personalized banking experience. After applying, there are a few more steps to finalize your account. First on the docket is verification. Banks need to ensure that the information you've provided is accurate. This process typically involves checking your identification documents and may also include a credit check. Don't fret if you're asked for additional information. It's a standard part of the process designed to protect both you and the bank. Next up, you'll need to deposit an initial amount into your account. This is often referred to as the opening deposit. The amount required varies from bank to bank, so it's best to double-check. Some banks may waive this requirement, while others may ask for as little as $20 or as much as a couple of hundred. Now, onto the exciting part, receiving your bank materials. Within a week or two, you should receive your checkbook and debit card by mail. In some cases, you might get your debit card right away when opening an account in person. Don't forget to activate the card when you receive it. This usually involves calling a toll-free number or logging into your online account. And remember, if at any point you're unsure about anything, don't hesitate to reach out to your bank. They're there to help and can guide you through any issues or questions you might have. Once completed, congratulations, you now have a bank account. Let's summarize the key steps and tips. Opening a bank account is a straightforward process when you're armed with the right information. Start by deciding on the type of account that best suits your needs. Next, gather the necessary documents such as proof of identity, proof of address, and income details. For the tech-savvy, consider the convenience of an online application. This generally involves filling out an online form and uploading your documents. If you prefer a more personal touch, visit your chosen bank in person. Bring your documents and be prepared to fill out a paper application. A useful tip is to familiarize yourself with the bank's terms and conditions before you commit. This includes understanding the fees, withdrawal limits, and any penalties for account closures. Remember, opening a bank account is a significant step towards financial independence. Choose wisely, prepare thoroughly, and embark on your journey towards a secure financial future.